हरि करना।
So now let's look into the binomial distribution applications in various fields, or maybe different domains you can call up. So uh, if you see, let's begin with the marketing. So the marketing department is conducting a direct. Just one example. I just want to give you one example from different domains, nothing else, so that you can okay, you can get a clear, you can get some broad understanding that okay, binomial distribution and all we are learning not just for sake of learning. There is a specific need for you, so that is the reason we are learning. That's what my intention, nothing else. So a marketing department is conducting a direct mail campaign to increase sales of a new product. So they send out 1,000 mailers, and they want to estimate the proportion of people who will respond and purchase the product. So now the number of people who respond to the mailers follows a binomial distribution, and the marketing team can use this to calculate the confidence interval for their estimate of the response rate. So this is marketing. And similarly, we have the finance. A financial institution wants to estimate the probability of a borrower defaulting on a loan. So they can use the binomial distribution to model the number of defaults that occur in a portfolio of loans and calculate the probability of a certain number of defaults occurring within a given time period. Then sports, let's look into the sports now. A basketball player is participating free throws, and they want to estimate their probability of making a certain number of shots in a row. So they can use the binomial distribution to model the number of shots they make in a series of attempts and calculate the probability of making a certain number of shots in a row. And then we have medicine. So, a pharmaceutical company is conducting critical trials to test the effectiveness of a new drug. They want to estimate the proportion of patients who will experience a certain side effect. So, the number of patients who experience the side effect follows a binomial distribution, and the pharmaceutical company can use this to calculate the probability of a certain number of patients experiencing the side effect. And we have the manufacturing. So a manufacturing company wants to estimate the proportion of the defective products in a batch of goods. So they can use the binomial distribution to model the number of defective products in a sample and calculate the confidence interval for their estimate of the proportion of defective products in their entire batch. So these are some of the concrete examples to demonstrate the wide range of applications of the binomial distribution in various fields, including marketing, finance, sports, medicine, and manufacturing. But this is not up. You have a lot of applications for the binomial distribution. These are some of them.